with the weight balance of the car, we can look at you use the scales to actually measure what that is, but think of a couple of extremes. If all the weight is on the back of the car, it sits like this, the car will go, but when you get to the corner and you try and steer, it's going to be very unsuccessful. Conversely, if all the weight is on the front of the car, it sits like this, yes, you can steer it, but it doesn't go anywhere because the back wheels simply spin. Goldilocks story. Somewhere in between, there's one that's just right. So that's why you put the car on scales to get what is that balance that's just right. Because the extremes are that when you go into the corner, when you go to turn the car, if too much weight is on the front of the wheels, the back of the car tries to pass the front of the car. Conversely, if you have too much weight on the back of the car, you go into the corner and you turn the wheels, and it doesn't turn, it just continues to plow straight towards the wall. And the other measure we do is the cross weight, which is diagonally across the car, because in fact the car actually rockers on the diagonal, not on the center of the car. So that allows you then, if that's true, by adjusting just this one corner, to make a big change in the weight balance of the car by adjusting only one spring instead of having to adjust all four. In the midst of a race, that's all you have the time to do.
One more time and see what four-wheel is on.
All right, now the wedge.
Wait, no, that's impossible because 600 is like...
Which is
This?
this?
Take the 600 and divide it by the 1,400.
How much? 1 round, 2 rounds? You'll do 3, you get 2 tries. You do 2 first? Okay, so I'm going to wait on that. That makes sense. Alright, so now we're going to see what it did for our cross. So it should put more weight back there and just weight off the other 2 wheels.
0 now.
Alright, let's let the car back down.
I read the first one.
Okay, there's the car. How much did that put in? What we had? Everybody wake up. Start with 46. See where we're at. Just see where you can come up at. All right, so we put the 1 back in. So if you'd have took a half, here's where you would have been.
I don't know what you say you pay them, but obviously they're not going to $6 million a year.
48.1. You're looking almost dead on. The main thing is you kind of learn exactly what this does to the car and how it affects all 4 points in the car by doing something at one side. And that actually tightens the car up and puts more grip in the other tires.